Hi everyone, today in front of me I have this REALME GT 2 Pro smartphone, and in this video I would like to show how you can activate the keyboard, clipboard on this device. So in order to start, you gotta open up the keyboard basically anywhere. I'll just use this Google search bar. Here, once the keyboard is opened, look for this icon, which basically stands for the clipboard. Tap on it, and basically all that it's left to do is to turn on the switch, and from now on the clipboard of your keyboard will be successfully activated and running. By tapping on this pen, you can just edit the elements of the keyboard, remove some if you no longer need them. And in order to add the element to the clipboard, all you gotta do is type something. In my case, I'll just type in car, copy it, and as you will see, once we open up the clipboard again, we'll have this element in the recents category right here. And from now on, you can just paste it, or once you no longer need it, just tap on this pencil again, check the unwanted element, and press on this trash bin icon. And as you can see, this item has been successfully deleted. So that was pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.